Alright gents, how's it going? We're back out again. Today we're out with JBL Motovlogs. You can check him out on YouTube, Instagram, all that good stuff. We're just in the peaks, doing the usual snake pass, and just going to show him Mortimer Road, because he's not been on that before. And yeah, the typical motovlogger thing is you always end up stopping, taking pictures and stuff, but he's pretty good with the camera, so got some good photos. Oh right, let's head on. I think he's still doing a bit of vlogging. Here we are, going onto the infamous Mortimer Road. It's a little bit raggedy at the start, but it gets better, don't worry. What's this dude? This is a very technical bit. Just so smooth. It is a bit technical, a bit tight, but it's just such a cool road. Look at this. Beautiful. I almost missed it, but it's a nice spot. Let's get a picture of this one.
This road surface is just so smooth.
This is what I'm saying, it's so smooth, and it carries on, it's so nice. Like from here onwards, it's amazing.
Yeah.
We'll just take a few photos and then we'll do the rest of it in one go.
Yeah, keep tyres warm.
Yeah.
Actually weighed evenly as well. It's not like
Yeah, it's good, man.
you have like a bad suspension setup. They weigh really weird, but
No, it looks good.
yeah.
Alright gents, finishing off Mortimer Road. Crazy. Okay, I realised I probably didn't end the vlog properly because I kind of got distracted with the whole test ride thing. But yeah, really nice morning out with JBL Motovlogs, really nice guy, and yeah, we had a few nice runs on those roads. Yeah, these guys are going pretty quick. Doing about 25 miles an hour. Not bad. Wow. But yeah, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace.